Good evening, Incha Ashwira. So today my presentation will be about financial statement of snack department, retail operation 2. Good day all, my name is Sankitana Sugumaran. My matric number is 01 DRM 20F 2031. Firstly, I will explain about the method to fill out the cash book. So the cash book has two parts, which are debits and credits. It is also known as debt inward and debt outward. So first, I will record the product and the price of the product that the customer purchased and the purchase date in the cash book. Then in the credit section, I will record all the transaction between our department and the supplier when buying the stocks. Next, I will explain about the debit and the credit. All the transactions in the cash book have two sides. As I said in the first part, debit and credit. All cash receipts are recorded on the left side as debits, and all the cash payments will be recorded with the date on the right side of the credits. So the difference between the left and right side shows the cash balance on hand, which will be a net debit balance if the cash flow is positive. Well, on the debit side, I recorded the transaction between the customer of the retail stimulation stock. Now I will talk about the VIP snack department's cash flow statement. So cash flow statement as on 31st May 2023. Cash flow operation, which are customers payment 632, material purchase 825.34 ringgit, minus we will get the total cash flow from operation will be negative 193.34 ringgit. Well, followed by cash flows from investing. Equipment purchases will be RM 82 ringgit 90 cents. Total cash flows from investing will be 82 ringgit 90 cents. Net change in cash will be 110.44 cents. So beginning cash balance will be 0 and ending cash balance will be RM 110.44 cents. Next, the usage of cash flow statement. The cash flow statement is important because it has measured the cash position of the business, and this will help to show the availability of the cash in business. Cash flows provides the information about the quality of the company's net income. Let's have a look in differences between cash flow statement and cash book. Cash book is a ledger which consists of records of all cash transactions by a company in a systematic manner. Next, cash flow statement is a statement recorded of performance of an entity over a specified period of transaction. Cash flow statement is also prepared on annual basis, whereas cash book is maintained on day-to-day basis. My explanation will be on account payable. So let's see on accounts payable. Account payable is an accounting term used to describe the money owed to vendors or suppliers for goods or services purchased on credit. The sum of any and all outstanding payments owed by one organization to each suppliers is recorded as the balance of accounts payable on the company's balance sheets, whereas the increase or decrease in total AP from the period prior will appear on the cash flow statement. It is important to pay close attention to your AP expenditures and maintain internal controls to protect your cash and assets, and avoid paying for inaccurate invoices. Maintaining an organized and well-run accounts payable process is a key, so you remain aware of the effect AP has on your bottom line. Let's look on account payable of VIP Snack Payable Ledger. Current date is 26 May 2023. Total dues till date. Date, invoice number, supplier name, total amount, due date. So the first date will be on 12th of February 2023. The supplier name will be Kacang Puteh Palu. The total amount will be RM46 ringgit, and the next date will be 15 May 2023, which supplier name will be Leah, and the total amount will be 252.6 cents. Okay, now let's look on our profit and loss statement of snack department. So for the sales of our snack department will be 632, and the cost of goods sold out will be purchase, which will be 825 ringgit 34 cents, and transportation will be 14 ringgit 80 cents. Next, expenses, which are utilities, 175. So all after minus, totally will be a loss income, which is 383. It is because our sales of our snack department will be 632 only, but purchases are around 825. So this caused a loss for our snack department. Okay, let me explain about balance sheets. Okay, balance sheet is a financial statement that contains detail of a company's assets or liabilities at specific point in time. It is one of the three core financial statements, which are income statement and cash flow statement, being the other two used for evaluating the performance of a business. Okay, let's look on the balance sheet of VIP Snack. So current assets, cash, current assets of 2023, cash will be RM0, account receivable will be RM 632. So the total current asset will be 632. So next, the second one will be long term fixed assets, followed by total fixed assets. Next, the third one will be others, then the total others assets, and then total current assets plus total long term fixed assets plus others will be the liabilities and owners equity. Will be RM 632. Next will be liabilities and owners equity, which are current liabilities, account payable, total 298 ringgit 6 cents, total current liabilities. Next, long term liabilities, total long term liabilities. Next, owner security, retained earnings, total will be RM 208.14 cents. Total owners equity will be 208.14 cents. So total will be 89 ringgit 92 cents. So these are the balance sheets of VIP snack department. Lastly, let's have a look on daily sale record of monthly sales. So for the first month, February will be 289 ringgit, March will be 154 ringgit 50 cents, April will be 0, and then followed by the last month of last month, which May, so will be 188 ringgit 50 cents. So total of the total of the monthly sales will be 632 ringgit.